All right, y'all, today's adventure challenge is with cranberry sauce, specifically cranberry sauce that has jalapenos in it from Thanksgiving. It is a leftover, and we are going to try to create something for under $10. So my thought process is making sliders. We'll see how that turns out, if I can even accomplish it for under $10. We're gonna head to the store, pick up some goods. Run into an issue. Hawaiian rolls, $3.50. So I found Kobe beef for $4.97. Got some cheese for $1.99. Onion for about $1. But that puts me at $8. And if I get the rolls, I'll be over. So I gotta just figure this out. We're stuck with the cheap bread, but we'll deal. Just like that, we did it. $9.17, under $10. Boom. All right, we made it to the Oaks Preserve. It's a beautiful, beautiful area right here. Perfect weather at the moment, and I got my griddle all set up right in front of my truck. Kind of awkward with people around here, but we do our best to make content outside. So we want to be outside, not inside, cooking. So what we're doing today, like I said, we're making some Kobe beef hamburgers with cranberry jalapeno sauce. We'll have some caramelized onions, as well as some cheddar cheese to throw on top. We have a limit of $10 to make this meal, and we're gonna kind of make it and see how it goes, and then have the wife rate it to see if she likes it or not. So we'll see how that plays out. All right, the griddle has been turned on. Starting to get warm. I take off my sweater, but patty's ready to go on. I did forget seasoning, so we'll have to deal with that. Flip. Yeah, so to meet my my budget of $10, instead of going with the slider bread that was a little smaller but was $2 more, I went with the cheapest bread I could find to make this work. But I think it'll be fine. It'll be a good little dinner. So today we have Cracker Barrel black ribbon slices, Wisconsin extra cheddar. We're gonna get one on here, nice and crispy. All right, to provide more context of the cranberry jalapeno, give it a little taste while we're here. Just get a little. It's really good. It has that cranberry flavor, but then it has a kick of jalapeno. I think something that you can see, I think it was a trend on TikTok for this Thanksgiving. The biggest problem is I don't have a fork or a knife, so getting this on the bun is going to be fun. Try not to make a mess. That's the goal. All right, wish me luck. Yay. I think that's all we need. All right, here we go. Here's a taste test. That was so good. Oh yeah, I think the cranberry, the onions, everything kind of goes well together. The jalapeno. Could have used some seasoning? Yes, because I didn't bring any. But it's really, really good. Really fire. That's so good. I'd say it's a success. Success cooking food out in this beautiful sunset. Enjoying the outdoors, eating some good food, and just having a good day. Now to send it to my wife so she can try it out. Here's the aftermath. Gotta clean all this up. Get ready to go. Gotta get that all cleaned up. All right, made it home. Have the burger in hand. See if the wife likes it or hates it. She's gonna give it a rating 1 out of 10. And we'll see how it goes. Is it as warm as it would have been if it was fresh? No. But let's assume it is. Yeah. All right, here you go. Be honest.
You put the jelly in there?
Yeah, I should have put more, but I didn't have any fork or knife. It's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
It's at the bottom.
I like it.
Take a big bite. Big good old bite. Right in the middle.
Go to the side.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Good.
Mm-hmm.
1 out of 10, what would you rate it? Honest.
Maybe like an 8.5.
8.5. Oh. I think that's great. No. I'm going to say I did season hers after I got home. I'll go with like a 6.5, maybe a 6. A solid 6 for mine. Could have used some seasoning. Was pretty good. Sauteed. The onions could have used some salt. The meat could have used some salt. But overall, the jalapeno, cranberry, wish I had put more in mine. But it was good. I had to tilt it so it didn't spill everywhere. And I didn't bring plates. I didn't bring nothing. This was a last minute quick video. And if you want more of these, please comment more.